What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship refers to the process of creating a new enterprise and bearing any of its risks with the view of making the profit. The person who creates a new enterprise and embraces very challenge for its development and operation is known as entrepreneurship. There are various types of entrepreneurship. The key concepts of entrepreneurship are self motivation. One of the most important traits of entrepreneurship is self motivation. We have to understand what we are offering as an entrepreneur. We need to know what we offer and how it fits into the market. We should be ready to take risks. We should know to do the proper network for entrepreneurship. We should know the basic money management skills and knowledge management. We must be flexible in our skill and motive. We should have passion. These are the basic requirements for entrepreneurship. How I can become a better entrepreneur? We should find the right business for us. We should determine if we should get an education. It will help in entrepreneurship. We must plan our business or the required product